First, I would like to invite S. Mehbooba, daughter of S. Abdul Wahab. She achieved 585 out of 600. I request gatherings to give big round of claps. By the way, I request sir to hand over the prize. Thank you, sir. And I request all the dignitaries to join their hands. Congratulations, ma'am, for your well-known performance. Next, I would like to invite G. Harinaga Shivagauri, daughter of G.N. V. Sunil Kumar. Please come on the stage, sir, please, and collect the prize. So I request once again the galleries to give big round of claps. Shivagauri. B. Naga Harshavardhan. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to invite G. Deepak Akhil, son of G. Mallikarjuna, who achieved. Relax, sir. Relax, sir. Relax. Next. Yes, Dharmik Rayal, son of yes, Nagaraju. He achieved 577 out of 600 marks. I request the parent to come on the stage and collect the prize on the hands of our chief guest. Please. The student who came from rural background and has achieved a best known score in the last SSC examination. Next, as he secured 574 out of 600. So I request the parent to come on the stage and collect the prize on the hands of our dignitaries. Sir, I request Dharmik Royal parents come, sir. Narasimhamurthy, he scored 574 out of 600, and I request the parents to come on the stage and collect the prize on the hands of our beloved chief guest. Next, I would like to invite K.S. Yavanandini, daughter of K.S. Mahesh, as she secured 570 out of 600. I request the parents to come on the stage and collect the prize. Yavanandini. మరొకసారి మా ఈవెంట్ కు విచ్చేసిన పేరెంట్స్ అందరికీ కూడా ధన్యవాదాలు. మరొకటి, ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఆల్ ద పేరెంట్స్ టు సిట్ ఆన్ ద సీట్స్ అండ్ ఎంజాయ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్. పేరెంట్స్ ఎవరైతే అటు ఇటు ఉన్నారో అందరూ కూడా సీట్లలో కూర్చొని ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని ఆనందంగా తిలకించాలని మరీ కోరుతున్నా. దయచేసి రూమ్స్ దగ్గర ఎవరు ఉండకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.